Here you can see now parking brake working. See, parking brake light perfect. Release. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota Camry. In this car have a problem. You can see here park brake assist problem. See, parking brake unavailable and park brake malfunction like this fault. Today I will show you how you can solve this problem. Here you can see parking brake malfunction, and here you can see park brake light blinking. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to solve this problem. Okay, what is the problem, why this park brake not working, why this parking brake light blinking. I will show you everything. Okay, so first of all we test with our diagnosis tool. Trouble code, fault is C13A6 motor circuit open or short. Okay, that means somewhere parking brake circuit open or short. Okay, now I show you I see where is the problem. I will show you now. Here you can see I already remove everything. This is rear left side parking brake. Okay, I check here where is perfect or not. Okay, test with multimeter. Okay, multimeter fix with like this, and then check if somewhere wire damage or not. Multimeter two wire fix one and another is here, and see wire is good. There is no wiring damage fault. If wire damage, there is no value came here. Okay, that means left side wiring perfect. Now I will show you right side. Here is the right side wiring. Remove. And check it. Now we check in right side. Here you can see I fixed in two wire, but there is no value. See, so here you can see there is no value. That means somewhere wiring damage in this right side parking brake motor. Okay, that's the issue. So now I check here. This is the wiring kit for left side, and here you can see I think when this car accident it's happened like this. See here, wiring damage full. See, and that's the problem. That's why parking brake not working. Here is the issue. This wire cut inside. Okay, ABS speed sensor and this parking brake wire. That's why parking brake not working. Okay, here is the fault. So if your car have same problem, check like this with multimeter and check wiring. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.